Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm planning to share it with you guys what seed packets are stocked in Lowe's. So let me take you guys the individual racks and show you what are the seeds that we have ready for our spring planting. I will start from here. This entire side we have all the vegetables that we can grow, and the other side you have flowering seeds. So let me show you what all the various seeds we have. We have Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and cantaloupes, carrots, different varieties of carrots, and then you have cucumbers, collards, a lot of different varieties of cucumbers. And if you are interested in lemon cucumber, you have the seed packet available. You can grab them. We have maybe 10 or 20 sets. So quickly grab them before they go. And then you have all string beans, lima beans, different varieties of beans, and then you have radish. And radish also you have different kinds, and beans, and full of different varieties of beans. And the next row you have radish, spinach, squash, cucumber, squash again, all different varieties of squash. Look at this. White squash. All different varieties of squash available, and lot of corn varieties. And you have this mixed variety also. Then let me take you to the next row. You have continuous of corns and all different tomato seeds. Look at this. I think very interesting variety, black green. All different sorts of tomato seeds, and then you have watermelon seeds, and you have okra, melons, and your salad varieties for lettuce, and leeks, eggplant, and radishes. And radish you will have like different sorts of varieties like early, mid spring and late spring. You can plant them. And pepper varieties. Look at this. You have onion seeds as well, but usually they don't stay longer. So if you are planning to grow them from seeds, grab them as soon as you can from Lowe's. And all the different peas. And let me take you to the other side where you have flowering seeds. Here you have still continuation of some veggies. And if you are interested in red carrot rainbow mix, you have 2 sets of packets. You can grab them. Cauliflower, eggplant, onion here as well, and radish. You have a good amount of veggie seeds. Oh my god, I couldn't really resist myself not buying the seeds. But let me show you what we have. Flowering seeds, majorly you have annual flowers. Couple of perennial seeds also available like Shasta daisies, painted daisy, but otherwise Mostly they are annual seeds, but let's take a quick look at. We have climbing plant mix. We have coleus, coreopsis, cosmos, and our dahlia mixes. Cosmos, again cosmos, dahlia mix, dahlia, lot of different annual varieties. Forget me not. This is hollyhock, is it? Hollyhocks, impatiens. If you're looking for flowering plant for shade, impatient. This 116. Love spot shade. Bloodspur, marigold. Look at the big size marigold. Bloodspur, poppy seeds, primrose, cornflower. This is perennial, as you can see. They usually bloom second year. Salvia, sweet william, snow in the summer, daisies, African daisies, alyssum. I love alyssum. They are very simple but reliable plant that blooms throughout the season, even after light frost. And another one I like most is bachelor button, because they don't eat them, so the colors survive even after deep really hunt their garden. And a lot of beautiful flowers, spiky flowers like lupin, larkspur, delphiniums, columbine, carnation, black day Susan. Look at this amazing collection. Some unique varieties go quickly, especially with sunflowers like this velvet queen. I think that easily goes very quickly. Sweet peas. Lot of things. Let me show you what I have bought. This is the first one is snapdragon. I really love snapdragon. They are cool flower. So I'm planning to really sow them in a winter sowing method. Maybe sometime around February. It takes about 2 weeks for germination, and it blooms in about 3 months, 2.5 months. So I really love this collection. Last year I bought from Johnny's collection. This time I thought I will try with this brand from Lowe's. And one more packet I have bought. It's also snapdragon, but the collection is different. It says First Lady mixed colors, and this one is a tall mixture. So I'm hoping that both will be a different mixture, because this one is a planter friendly, so I can use in container. And this is a zinnia, limelight zinnia, which I always liked watching in the videos from other gardeners, so I thought this time I will also try to plant them. And zinnia is, guys, if you are a beginner gardener, you should be trying zinnias. They are really awesome. They don't attract pests, and they are very, very easy to grow. No fertilizer, nothing. And the more you cut, the more they produce. So awesome flowering plant, and they flower until the frost. So definitely number one choice for beginner gardener. And then I have Walla Walla onion, and then the red burgundy onion. I think I have some seeds from last year also, but usually onion seeds sell out very quickly, so I thought I'll grab them if in case I don't have. But let me see. I have to find out my last year's seed collections. And this one is something new I want to try this year. I had yellow sunflower last year, so I thought wouldn't add some red color sunflower this season. So these are the packets that I have got. Hopefully I didn't buy too much because I already have enough seed packets that I need to find out. Alright guys, hope you guys liked watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.